Now, let us talk about one very important part of your TikTok advert: budget and duration. All right. So a lot of people get this part wrong, and that is why they don't get good results. So now let me show you the best set budget and duration. You click on this pencil icon. Okay. All right. Can you see that you can run ad from 870 to 1.4 million? Can you see you can run ad from 870? So, but I recommend you to start with 5,000, or if you are in tight corner, 3,000. All right, that is maximum I recommend for you. All right, so 5,000, 10,000 upward for your ad to reach for your ad to convert better results. Okay, then you click on confirm. The duration, let's say 2 days. Okay, so if you do 2 days now, so it's going to be 10,000. All right, it's going to be 10,000 because I have some money on my TikTok account. That is why you are not seeing 10,000 here. But nevertheless, I will still pay charges, because if you are paying 10,000 naira, it's supposed to be if you are paying 5,000 naira per day, it's going to be 10,000 naira for 2 days. So have it in the back of your mind that there will be charges. Okay, there will be additional of charges. You pay for you can click it, you pay for tax, and then all those stuff. You pay for tax and all that. Okay, so I think what I'm paying for tax now is 694 naira 59 kobo. That is what I'm paying for tax. So have it in the back of your mind that there will be an additional of tax on whatever amount you are paying for your TikTok advert. Okay, so that is where we're going to hold it. If you want your ad to be effective, make sure that the duration is more than 1 day, 2 days upward. Then the budget I recommend is 5,000 upward. If you are in a tight position, you can run 3,000 naira. So I know that you can run ad for 1,000 naira, but for your ad to be effective, right, make sure you start your budget from 5,000 upward. Last 3,000. So do 2 or 3 days. As I said earlier, TikTok always add their charges on top, so expect the final amount to be slightly higher. I mean, if you want to pay 10,000 naira, the additional of 700 or below, 700 or 600 below, to be added to whatever amount you are paying. Okay, if you want more powerful TikTok advert lesson that will save you money and bring you sales, bring you better results, hit the subscriber button so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching.